Mentos English Express and I'm Sudha Oberoi. In my previous video, I had explained the students of class 10th, chapter 2, The Thief's Story from their English book, Footprints Without Feet. I had explained important points and textual questions. Now in this video of the same chapter 2, The Thief's Story part 2, I am going to explain you very short question answers or MCQs. These are going to help you understand the minute details of the chapter. I am also going to explain you short question answers and long question answers. So watch the video till the end. Here are very short questions or MCQs to be answered in one word or 2-3 words. First question is, how old is Hari Singh? He is 15 years old. Next, what is Anil's profession? His profession is writer. Next, where did Hari Singh meet Anil? He met him where he was watching wrestling match. Next, how often did Hari Singh change his name? He changed his name every month. Next, name the shop above which Anil lives. The name of the shop is Jamna Shop. Next, what job did Anil give Hari Singh? He gave him a job of a cook. Next, besides cooking, what else did Anil promise him? He promised to teach him to read and write. Next, how much profit did Hari Singh make every day? He made a profit of 1 rupee every day. Next, how did Anil earn 600 rupees? He earned 600 rupees by selling book to publisher. Next, according to Hari Singh, who is easier to rob? The person who trusts others, that is trusting man, is easier to rob. Next, how did Hari Singh feel after stealing money? After stealing money, he felt like a millionaire. Next, which train did Hari Singh decide to catch after stealing money? He decided to catch Lucknow Express at 10:30. Next, why didn't Hari Singh board the train? Because he became guilty conscious. Next, how did Anil treat him on his return? He gave him 50 rupees as well as promised to educate him. Next, what opinion did Hari Singh have about education? He thought that education would help him earn money in honest way and earn him respect also in the society. Here are very important short questions to be answered in 30-40 words. I am going to give you value points for them. You can elaborate them on your own. First question is, who was Hari Singh? What was his vocation? Vocation means job. Hari Singh was a 15-year-old boy who robbed and duped innocent people after winning their trust. And he often changed his name so that nobody will be able to recognize him or to hide his identity. Next, why did Hari Singh approach Anil? Now he approached Anil because he found Anil a very simple and kind person who could be easily duped and robbed. Next, what did Anil and Hari Singh agree upon to be the mode of payment? Now since Anil was himself a struggling writer, he did not have much money, so he asked him if he could cook food for him. Though Hari Singh could not cook food, but here he said yes because he was going to get shelter and food, and along with that he was going to be educated also. Question 4. Did Hari Singh like working for Anil? Give reasons to support your answer. Hari Singh was very happy working for Anil because he was making a rupee every day while buying groceries for him, and this was a big amount for him. Besides that, he was getting shelter also and education also from him. Next, was Hari Singh successful in robbing Anil, or did he rob himself also of something? Yes, he robbed Anil of money and trust both. But he himself also lost a chance of becoming literate or educated, because education would have earned respect for him in the society. Next, why was it difficult for Hari Singh to rob Anil? Now, it was very difficult for him to rob Anil because he was the most trusting person he had ever met till now in his life. Besides, he was very simple, kind-hearted and helpful. Hari Singh knew that loss of money will not affect him, but loss of trust would shatter him. Question 7. State the events that took place on the night of theft. The night of theft was quite eventful. After stealing money, Hari Singh went to railway station, but he did not board the train over there. Now he had no place to go. So he took shelter under the clock tower in the ground. There wisdom dawned upon him. He felt guilty and he returned to Anil's house. Next, what made Hari Singh go back to Anil's house? Now, Hari Singh was penitent. Penitent means regretful. He realized the importance of education also, sitting there under the clock tower. He thought that after becoming literate, he would get opportunities, and those opportunities are going to bring wealth for him. He will become rich and he will also become a respectful person of the society. Next, how was the morning after the night of theft? The next morning after the night of theft was quite normal. Hari Singh woke up late. By the time Anil had made tea, instead of scolding him, he gave him 50 rupees and assured him that he would be paid regularly now onwards, and he would also educate him. Next, how do you think Anil would have come to know about the theft? He would have come to know about the theft from the dampness of the notes. And since he was kind and wise, it was not difficult for him to realize the events that had happened last night. Next, did Anil really forgive Hari Singh? Give evidence to prove. Yes, he really forgave him because he was kind-hearted, generous. He did not scold him. He gave him 50 rupees and promised to pay him regularly. He also promised that he would teach him to read and write, and this he did because he believed that there was quite a lot of scope of transformation. So he wanted to transform him with love and care. Here are long question answers to be answered in 120 to 150 words. These are important questions, and here are the value points. Question 1 is, an educated person enjoys respect as well as status in the society. Elucidate. It is true that an educated person enjoys respect as well as status, because with money he can buy only luxuries and comforts of life. But money cannot buy knowledge for him. It cannot buy civilized thinking and skills for him to achieve his dreams. On contrary, education polishes the latent talent of a person. It sharpens his skills, makes him confident. Prerequisites for becoming successful in life. Hari Singh also repented after stealing money and found education more valuable. So children, one must grab the opportunity to get educated, because an educated person is aware of his rights and duties. he enjoys good health, and he can also contribute in the nation's progress. Question 2. Hari Singh did not board the train and returned to Anil. What values does this incident put light on? Now, after the theft, Hari Singh realized that he has not only robbed Anil, but he has deprived himself of education, which is very necessary to lead a decent life in the society. Education would have made him earn money in an honest way. It would have also earned him respect. But despite of indulging in a criminal act, he displayed that he was wise and practical. But this change came in the company of Anil, who is very naive kind of a person, forgiving and helpful. So love alone can transform a person. Children, I am sure that very short answers have helped you understand the minute details of the chapter, and value points discussed in short and long answers will help you write the answers to the point and precisely. Children, if you have enjoyed this video, like, share and subscribe it. Do post your comments in the comments box below and keep watching Mentors English Express. Thank you.